Hey guys, welcome back to Tim's Electronics Lab and welcome back to a follow-up video of the Sonoff Wi-Fi switch. So we get started immediately. In the previous video I've done the smart Wi-Fi switch, and this is the Sonoff Wi-Fi smart socket. To be more precise, the Sonoff S20 _EU model. Now the EU obviously stands for the European plug that's inserted right here and at the bottom, but I don't think there will be any difference otherwise. So we're going to install custom firmware on this one as well, so we can control it with MQTT. So let's get started. You need to remove all the screws and like that. And I'm going to glue the on-off button in place because the button is not secured inside the case. So when you open it, it falls out and it doesn't work. The button is quite sketchy. It was upside down when I received it, so yeah. So just open it. As you can see, the button falls out immediately, and there are two standoffs here, two holders, and I'm going to hot glue it to them so it doesn't move anymore. So this is what you get when you open it, and now this can be removed. Just pull it out. It's very nice, however, that they've included some springy protections. As you can see, I can't open it with my screwdriver. Well, when it's inside the case, it's held by the contact, so it won't eject as just happened. Now we gotta remove the PCB. Just unscrew the two screws here. And one there, and just press out the socket from the back and it will eject the board. Now this is all we need, and as you can see right here, there are 4 pins. On the other Sonoff there were 5, but the last one wasn't used, so we've got 4. The board layout is well, not the layout, but the pin assignments are exactly the same. I think they've used the exact same components, exact same schematic for this one as well. The only difference being the layout of the shape of the PCB. So what you need are 4 headers. No soldering this time because they're all empty. There's no solder on them. But make sure to put the header in the right way. Otherwise you won't be able to close the case. As you can see, if you put it at the bottom, let me just put it in and insert the case. As you can see, the board isn't going down any further. So we want to solder it from the bottom. So not from the top, but from the bottom. So just place your header wherever you want to solder. Now I'm going to use some blue tack. Well, it's not blue, but it's sticky and it gets the job done. To hold the header in place so that we can get a nice solder joint. Now I've already heated up the soldering iron for soldering. Now let's zoom and focus. Okay, I know you can't see it. Almost started soldering when you couldn't see it. There you go, that's better. Now this is Chinese solder, so I'm not a really big fan of the Chinese solder. I'm not going to purchase solder anymore from Banggood because I don't like the way it's melting, and when it's melted, the way it reflows and solidifies. So I'm just going to use solder from my local hardware store, which is yeah, rather expensive compared to the Banggood solder, but now I know why. So that is it for the soldering part actually. Now I'm going to get my hot glue gun out. And glue the button in place. So this is going to take a while for the gun to heat up. But hey, we have the time. Now I can insert the PCB back. Oh wait, almost forgot to remove the blue tack. I can insert the PCB back. I can screw the PCB back in, because we are done with the changing and soldering. Just place the screw on my. Zoom out a little. There you go. And screw it in. We are done with the bottom part of the PCB. Now the header is for soldering, or for programming. We obviously need to program the ESP 8266 at the bottom. Yes, there's one as well here. As I said, the layout is almost identical. Now there's some glue coming out of my gun, but that's not good glue, but it is working. So hey, that's more than enough. It shouldn't be falling off right now anymore. So that's target achieved, right? Look, nice. Right, so that's it, and yeah, that's it for this part. We obviously need a serial to USB converter over here, and if I recall correctly, no, I can't recall. So, the arrow over here at the bottom in the corner right here. Sorry, my camera can't focus properly. Oh yeah, there you go. So this is VCC, the bottom one, and after that we oh wait. So VCC, RX, TX and ground. So of course this time we need 4 female to male jumper wires to connect the programmer. So connect them, and then the brown one is oh wait. The brown one is, that's nice, hot glue. The brown one is VCC, and again make sure to put the jumper of your FTDI programmer on 3.3 volts, not on 5, because it will blow the shit out of it. So VCC, that's this pin. Then we've got RX and TX. So RX need to be connected to RX and TX to TX. Like that. And obviously ground needs to be connected to ground. Alright, so now I'm going to switch to my computer. So, since we're already up and running, let's connect the USB to the serial adapter to check if we blow anything up. And if we do, I want to be on the view very good. And as you can see, it starts blinking. So that is a very good sign. Now I'm going to start recording over here. Alright, so you've got your serial connected, your FTDI programmer. And as I said, the board layout and GPIO layout, pin layout is exactly the same as the other one. So download the code for the smart Wi-Fi switch from my GitLab. This will be there as well, just for reference. And you can instantly flash it. Now the compile settings are already good, since I've just uploaded code to the other board. The only thing you need to do is change the port to COM port, so I've done that. Now the programming procedure is as following. You need to disconnect the USB, not full, so that's still in the socket, because you need two hands for this. Now press and hold the button on the Sonoff, then insert the USB, and as you can see, the blue light comes on. I don't know if that means that it's in programming mode, but just click the upload button and it should compile. And if everything's alright, it should start uploading really soon. Just to mention, the relay of the other Sonoff worked. It needed a higher voltage, as I already thought, so that's good. Now this should start uploading, and it doesn't. So let me change the connections, swap the TX and RX pin, and try it like this. Again, hold down the button and insert the USB. I wasn't doing it right last time, because this time no... oh, wait. I'm joking. The header came loose. So again, hold the button and insert the USB. And it should be in programming mode. Yeah, this time no flash. And power is on, headers are in. So I think it should update it right now. Or I've swapped the... yeah, I wasn't supposed to swap the RX and TX, I think. So swap those back, upload it again. Now it should start uploading. And it doesn't. No, it doesn't. Hang on. Remove it and power it again. See if it flashes. It does. Check the... yeah, that's correct. No, that is not going to work. Why? RX. Oh no, they're still reversed. So RX is orange. Yeah, orange needs to be on top. Orange needs to be this way. So now it should upload. Yeah, there you go. So I did it wrong 2 times. That's very shaming. But hey, it's uploading right now. And when the upload is done, we actually do get another LED available. And I'm not sure which one that is. Oh, the blue light. The blue LED lights up when the relay is activated. Alright, so yeah, you see? Connecting. There you go. So this one is the other way around. So the button is reversed. Input, pull up. So now I've uploaded the OTA sketch. So in theory, I should be able to program this thing over the air now. So let's test that out. So yeah, right. Previous thing as the same thing as the last video. Turn the firewall into interactive mode, otherwise it will block the traffic to the device and it won't work. Now please bear in mind that when you do this, the warranty of your not warranty full product will be void. You can't return it back to Banggood unless you mimic the firmware, of course. But hey, that's up to you. Just to warn you, yeah, warranty is void by this moment. And it's not working, so let's turn it off. Yes. Oh wait, same fault as previous one. Unplug it and re-plug it. Very strange, but the ESP needs a reset after the OTA sketch has been uploaded. So we can enable the firewall and upload it. So now it should ask for the confirmation that we want to connect. Oh, it doesn't within interactive mode, so that's good. So now the code is uploaded and yeah, there you go, it resets, and when it's connected let me see, pull, is there a pull down functionality? And does not compile? I don't think there is, but no. Alright, so we need to negate the button over here 2 times. No, 1 time, only for the relay. And upload it again over the air. Very important, over the air this time as well. just like previous time. Now when the previous upload was successful, it remembers the password. That might not come in handy at all times, because if you just set a new password, it forgets it, or it don't uses it. There you go. Yeah, that's better. So with this, there's a little hardware difference, I suppose, because with this you need to negate the button input into the relay. Otherwise the relay stays active, and that is different than the other one. So if we disconnect this and we go back to the workbench, we can assemble it. So just put the cover on top of the earthing straps. It is loose, that's how it's supposed to be. And then put the top cover on. You might hear a click, you might not hear a click. And insert the screws into the device. Like that. I need to make sure that they're not too tight, but they're reasonably tight, because yeah, you don't want this to come off when you're using it. So let me see if I can reach for the, yes, that should so lots of noises. So this is my power plug. And right now the plug itself is turned off, so no flashes or things. But if I turn this on, the thing gets power, and it's connected. There you go. That is cool. So that's working. Very nice. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like. Make sure to leave a comment down below. You can also share this video with your friends if you think they will like it too. See you next time.